been wanting to try this drink since it came out. And honestly, I've heard so much good stuff about it, like energy-wise, mental-wise, clarity, and I want to try it out. It is currently like 9:30 maybe, and I had to go to Lifetime Athletic to get a Kinetic because I heard that's where they are. I'm so excited about it. I heard it's sour because of the ketones, meaning that ketones are very good for you. It's not like energy drinks where it's just pure sugar, and that it tastes really good. The flavors are so good. I got the strawberry peach. I like strawberries. Really am excited to try this. So let's try it. It's a sparkling ketone refresher. Oh, okay. I never heard that it was a sparkling, but I heard the ketones are super sour. So let's see. I'm so excited. I've been dying to try this. Oh my god. Cheers. Oh wow, you really do get that peach. I think I taste more of that peach than the strawberry, honestly. You taste like a hint of strawberry. Kind of feel it tastes like an ice. If you've tasted an ice drink, it kind of tastes like that, but better. That's really good, honestly. And I got 2 of them, so I was like, if I get one and I like it, I'm not gonna come back here and drive all the way over here just to get another one. So I got 2. They are not that expensive, honestly. Right now at Lifetime Athletics, there's $1 off. So for both of them, it was like $6 something, which is not bad, honestly. I would totally get a pack of it. I'm one of those people that just can't concentrate on one single thing and just loses focus. And with this, I've heard that people have a lot of focus mentality and clarity in their brain. Like, it's not brain fogged anymore, or they're, you know how ADHD people like can't concentrate clearly, and it just helps so much. And I'm one of those people that have ADHD and can't focus on one thing. So if this helps, I'm getting a 12 pack. Or I'm buying 12 because these are sold individually. This is so good, honestly. Like, you taste no sugar, honestly. And it says total fat, 0 grams, 0%, sodium, 100 milligrams, 4%. Sodium is the salt, which kind of also enhances the flavor of things. Total carbohydrates, 0 grams, 0%. Total sugar, 0 gram, including 0 gram added sugar, 0%. Protein, 0 grams, 0, which is okay. Potassium that's a lot. It's 235 milligrams. And magnesium is 69 milligrams. That's good. That is so good. Its calorie count is 60, which is not bad, honestly. This can is the same. This is a 12-ounce soda. Okay, it's this. Compare it to this. Looks way better. The design and everything about it, just calls me. This, I'm like, it's just red. I mean, it does call attention. It does taste good, but what benefits are there? There is no benefits in this. So I think this is gonna be my new favorite drink, honestly. And I think I'm just gonna cut the soda because sugar just messes with your brain and it doesn't really give you clarity. So it just kind of gives you a crash and it messes you up pretty much. There are no benefits in soda. Now there are benefits. I do have to shout out Roman Atwood because without him, I would have never found this drink. I've been a big fan of his since I first started watching him when he did the ball pit prank in his old YouTube house, and I think that's where I just started watching him, and ever since, I mean, I've been hooked. And honestly, he's so inspirational, and I think he was thinking about us, the people who can't really focus, or the ADHD, or because things like Kinetic are gonna help us because there's doctors out there that they're like, just medicate them, just give them this, give them that. And it's like, dude, we don't always want to be on medication. Like, you know, we want something natural that's gonna help us, you know? And I can relate to that. So shout out my guy, thank you. So I came to Bass Pro Shop, and trust me, it is like 10 right now, and I took 4 sips of this. Tell me how I feel so freaking, like, mind is clear, and like, dude, this thing works fast. I'm like usually I have things and I have lists in my head, and I'm like, okay, I gotta get this done, I gotta get that done, I gotta do this, but let me do that, and then I like go off my list. And right now I'm just like, I don't have anything on my mind except DoorDash, but like DoorDash is not busy right now. So I'm like, I'm gonna waste some time, go to Bass Pro Shop and like walk around, look, drink my Kinetic. But just driving from Lifetime Athletics, which is like literally like a minute, not even a minute, like 30 seconds to Bass Pro Shop, it's like clarity right immediately. Like, you can't deny this stuff works, okay? It works like, I don't know what it is. It's incredible, honestly. Go get your Kinetic. Look at them fish, man. These are huge. Look at that one. Bass Pro Shop. Whoa. This makes me want to go to the aquarium now. Right? You know? Who needs the aquarium and paying like $20, $30 to get in when you got Bass Pro Shop? Kinetic. Get yours today. In the jungle, in the forest, with the waterfall behind me. Oh, man, you gotta love nature. Look at these fish. For your like fishing as bait? I mean, I think it would be. Look at that. So a fish that looks appetizing. So I am thinking of getting that fly hook bait fishy thingy. I don't know what it's called. I guess they're pops or poops or whatever fucking things. I don't know. Like, how is this appetizing to a fish? Like, seriously, come on. Like, what? I say the fly, so I'm like, oh, what is this? Oh, this is like a crab. This one's cool. Oh, it's $8.99 though. I say the fly. It's $3.99. Ooh, actually, this to a bigger fish looks kind of appetizing. You know? Look at that. Or even this one. Look at these. They're all colorful though. This one, actually, this one's it. That looks like good fish. I think they don't know the difference, but like, yeah. I guess this is where they like. It's starting to smell like fish over here. Look. Okay. Let's go. of beef jerky, like with real meat, you know? You got all these processed beef jerkies and they're good, but are they really that good for you? Like, think about it, like, they got all this stuff in it, you know? I prefer homemade. Man, this makes me want to go camping, eating out in the forest or in the desert or, you know, just cooking out and enjoying nature. Y'all got the ingredients to make beef jerky, but yet y'all want to be buying it. A river. This is like one of the popular rivers here. Jump into the water. Come on, somebody's gotta get that one. That's, you want it? You want it? You want it? Ha ha! Dude, that big fish was right there. And it's crazy because they blend. Woo! I caught a fish! I caught a fish! Woo! Woo! Look at that fish! Beautiful! fishy. Snaky? Over here. Yeah. Could be. Yeah. I don't know if it's dead. It has his eyes closed.
He's cold.
Is just throw him in the water?
No.
Make y'all swim?
Oh, I see him. He's little.
Yeah, he's little.
He's right there between the leaves. Like right in.
Right there. It looks like he could be alive. I don't know. He's alive. He's alive. Oh, he is alive. Okay, he's alive. It's Monday, and I put my keys in there. Because I was in the water, so I was like, where do I put my keys? Anyway, I'll see you guys later, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I had fun. Caught 2 fish and got to swim in the river. Saw a snake, probably a water snake. Yeah, have fun. See you later. Be happy, be kind, and be yourselves. Always be yourselves. That's something that you need to discover about yourselves, is who you are, you know. What are your favorite things? Don't go following other people's things, and you know. But yeah. Okay, bye.